Hello, this is Ms. McKenzie, Technology Facilitator and Computer Skills Teacher at North Hills Elementary School in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. In this screencast, I'm reviewing how to log into Edmodo for the students at North Hills. If you're watching this video but you're not a student at North Hills, I'm glad to have you watching, but this procedure will not work for you. Okay, North Hills students, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser. Then you need to go to the address bar and type in wsfcs.edmodo.com, then press enter. This is the fastest way to get to Edmodo for Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools. Now, you've already created your account, so you'll be using the username or email box and the password box. If you've forgotten the pattern for North Hills usernames, this is how it goes. It's your first initial, last name, NHES. No capitals, no spaces. For example, my first name starts with M, then my last name is McKenzie, and then I put NHES. If you have two last names, I hope you remember whether you used your first last name, your second last name, or both last names for your username. If you don't remember, you'll need to come and talk to me before or after school, or leave a note on the whiteboard in my door so I can meet with you to look up your username. Now, for most of your other accounts like iReady and Classcape, you were assigned a password. But for your Edmodo account, you chose your own. I hope you remember it, because if you don't, you'll need to see me to get it reset. Anyways, let's try and log into Edmodo using the information that I had set up. Now, I'm doing this on purpose because I need to show you some of the error messages, but you'll notice I made a mistake when I was typing my username there. But I'll put my password in correctly and click Login. Okay, there's a problem. It says username not found. When you get that message, it means you typed your username in incorrectly. So this time I'm going to type it in properly, but I'm going to make a mistake in my password, so you'll see what that error message looks like. Okay, this time I got a message that says incorrect username or password. Now this is confusing. I'm not sure why Edmodo sets it up this way. If you get this message, it means your password was wrong. Okay, there's a couple of things you can check as far as your password goes. If you are just absolutely certain about your password, you can count the dots and make sure there are the same number of dots as there are characters in the password. And remember, characters are letters, numbers, and symbols. And as we discussed throughout all of first quarter, your password should have all three of those things: letters, numbers, and symbols. Anyways, so if you count the number of dots and they're incorrect, just go on ahead and start all over again. If it's the same number of dots as your password, you can try it again. If it works, you'll get in. If your password doesn't work and you tried a few times, you need to just come see me and I'll reset it to the default like we talked about throughout first quarter. Okay, I hope this screencast makes you more able to log into Edmodo independently. If you have any questions, please come and see me before school or after school, or leave a note on the whiteboard in my door and I'll be happy to meet with you.